Hi guys, today I want to look at this issue. The issue with this EarPod is that whenever you plug it to charge, it will be charging, but whenever you remove it, it won't turn on. So I've decided to open the second one to carry out some tests. Is it a charging port? Is it not supplying power? Is it the battery? Is it other components failure? So after my investigation, I realized the battery is bad. Okay, so I test the battery. After long time of plugging, there's no any voltage coming out of the battery. So I still want to verify further to see if the battery will charge if I decide to plug it directly to the power source. This is source to charge it. The reason I want to verify this is that maybe the charging unit of the EarPod is not good, so I decide to do that direct. So after some minutes, I will just unplug and check the power from the battery again to see if it is okay or not. But I'm sure the problem is the battery. So let me prove to you what I mean by it can charge but it doesn't turn on. So let me plug it again. So I've plugged it. So you can see it's charging, but if you remove it, it will never turn on. Okay, so it doesn't turn on. So likely the battery is bad. So just as I said, I have opened the second ear, so the battery is not giving any voltage. Okay, so the battery has been plugged for long, so let me test that again. You can see it's not giving any reasonable voltage, so definitely the issue is from the battery. So the other test I was carrying out initially to be sure the charging unit is supplying power, so I decided to carry out a test here. You can see it's giving 5 volts, so that is the required voltage to charge it. So definitely the issue with this is battery. So if it doesn't turn on, the first few things you need to check is to check if there's voltage from the charging unit. So as I did just now, and also check the battery if there's power on the battery. After testing it on the board and I realized there's no power on it, that's why I disconnected it to test it outside. So then check for physical damage. Also, there's no any burnt component, there's no any faulty component here, so the issue is the battery. So if you want to carry out such test, always check the battery. If I'm able to get this battery from the market, then I will replace it and it will be up again. But I don't know if it is in the market anyway, but I will make inquiry. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel.